Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about the concept of natural language processing. So before going deep into the concept of natural language processing, we are going to deal or discuss the real-time things which are happen based on the concept of languages. So what is a language? So it is one of the pattern or one of the thing which is used for communication. So based on the different types of languages, maybe a regional language or state level language or national language, it can be classified based according to their pronunciation, way of writing, and the structure of the letter, and all the things are combined into the things. So how it is to be processed in a real-time manner by means of using the various techniques. So why this kind of natural language processing is important, and what is the need and the necessity of the things. Really, here we are having some different number of languages which are taking and that is to be processed for processing all kind of things which are needed for the purpose of converting something into something, like it means, for example, converting the text to speech or speech to text and so on. So it is needed and the necessity is very important, that will play the major role for the various technical aspects. So here, the natural language processing, it is a process of converting or break down the piece of languages into n number of modules, and we are getting the final module as a resultant thing of conversion things. So here, the natural language processing comes under the concept of and one of the core technique called as artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? It is a thing which may act, or which we will write some codes, or we will adopt some techniques for a particular machine and to think or to act like a human being. So based on the user commands, based on the user inputs, it may take it and it may convert and give this as a needed thing. So here the natural language processing may based on the things like how the text or character. So we know that basic thing of grammatical concepts like verb, adverb, adjective, and all the things. So these things are also taken as a prerequisites and also the input things for doing this kind of conversions. So here the natural language processing also one of the important application which may use to perform the thing like the chatbot applications. So now we are getting into the deep thing of how the text is converted and what all things are happening. You know, lot of inputs or the text is given as a single statement. Okay, first that is to be converted as a frequencies or characters. So what is a character? The single alphabet in a particular word or text is called as a character. First we have to find out the frequency. What is the frequency of the particular given word or sentence? It means here the frequency talks about the number of occurrences of a particular character. So first we have to find out the thing and we have to proceed with the various concepts. Then first the frequencies and the number of appearances of the particular character and the particular word are to be segregated, and that is to be divided by means of the various things like taking the syntax and its semantic concepts and the time of pronunciation and how it is to be composed or imbibed into the particular text or based on the voice of the user or the performer, and how it is to be translated through with the help of some mediums. So all these things are play an important role in this. So these kind of steps are to be inbuilt and it is to be converted as a procedure for conversion of natural language processing. Here all the data, the inputs are first stored in the database, and that is to be transferred to a lexical analyzer, and the lexical analyzer is transferred the data to the text manipulating analyzer, and here it is to be converted into breakdown into pieces, and the pieces are then next followed into the concept of machine learning. Okay, so it is the thing, the algorithm which is used here is, it is in a process of getting the things like, already we are having some database based on some learning concepts. So we are matching the particular text to the text with the received text by from the user, and it is to be matched with the particular pattern, and it is to be given as a output like text or video or audio like that. Okay, so it is the simple procedure of how the language is to be converted into a text, or text is converted into a speech and so on. Okay, so it is very important nowadays. So we are having inbuilt some inbuilt applications or app for the conversion of speech to text or text to speech and so on things. So based on these things, here we come to know that the technology rules the world. So necessity is the mother of invention. So this kind of NLP, the natural language processing, is one of the technique which may gives the way for promoting our society with the help of new trended technologies. Thank you.